I attended the design day this year because great lineup of speakers and a good opportunity to kind of network with professionals.
Year on year, it's been getting better venues, better speakers, better content, and all around just a great day to network with other wireless professionals.
Throughout with a lot of knowledge, at the same time it's good to meet face-to-face a couple of engineers that I know for a couple of years.
The events differed in terms of being more agnostic from other events that you go to, so it's more about the technology but not the vendors who sell the technology. So it's that nice thing of actually coming to an event and learning something and going away and feeling that you've actually learned something.
There's a lot more stuff that's relevant. Often with other events, you'll go one or two presentations might be really good, but a lot of them you kind of think, well, I'm not that interested. Whereas this is pretty focused.
I find it a really good mix of speakers, really good mix of topics. Yeah, definitely well worth coming along to.
Very useful. The introduction was good, and the troubleshooting stuff gave me some things to think about, and the tools.
The key takeaway from today's event was the new features coming up in 2 weeks from the software.
The best one was Peter's presentation on Wi-Fi roaming and how different protocols operate in different ways throughout.
Talking about the benefits of fast roaming, the different options that we've got there. We're looking to implement voice at the moment. It's going to be something we need to really seriously think about. So some great advice in that session on how we can optimise that.
Keith gave us a very good breakdown of the free tools, the mid-price tools and the professional tools.
The troubleshooting of the Wi-Fi access points and how it can be more in-depth than previously.
I'd say the standout speaker for me would be Keith Parsons, mainly because I'm interested in the troubleshooting, but also he provided a good presentation.
The content is always phenomenal, but it's just the way he delivers it. It really draws you in. He can be whispering, and then you don't hear a sound in the crowd because everyone's so interested in what he's got to say.
It was interesting to see progress on the GovRoam project because I used to work at university and it was quite familiar with EduRoam, but GovRoam I was a bit behind the times, so it's good to see how that's going.
I would definitely recommend that anybody involved in the wireless industry, whether it's design, installation, maintenance, troubleshooting, anything to do with wireless, come along to Wireless Design Day. It's a great event. You're definitely going to learn something and you're going to make some great contacts.
I'd highly recommend it in terms of it being, if you want to learn about Wi-Fi, you want to go and speak with people that actually do this on a daily basis rather than a vendor filling you with that kind of, yes, as is the fastest, bestest, whatever. Then absolutely, couldn't recommend it enough.
I'm definitely recommending it. It's packed throughout with different pieces of knowledge, but at the same time, it's actually good to meet face to face with a couple of the Wi-Fi engineers that I know for a couple of years.
It's a great event to get in touch with the top guys and also to share knowledge with other guys working in the same industry.
It's ridiculously good value for money, and if you can get the time off, it's almost like a free day of training.
There's no need to think about it. Just buy your ticket and come. You won't regret it. Best experience, great day, great event, great guys.